What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add contacts to your mailing list into Brevo. That is a very popular customer relationship management and mailing service, okay? All into a simple and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to brevo.com and create your account, or go to your account dashboard. You can create your account using Google, it's very easy, okay? After, you're gonna be able to see a page just like this, that is the Brevo dashboard, okay? In the case that you want, you can go to the upper right corner of your screen, into your profile name, move to settings, and click on language to change the language that this account displays, and the time zone, that is very important for local customers, okay? After, go back to the dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. We have home, CRM, marketing, automations, translations, conversations, and commerce. Go to CRM, and right here you're going to be able to find your contact and your lists. Go to lists, submenu, and find the list where you would like to apply your contacts. In my case, it's going to be this one right here. Now we have the list and how to apply contacts to this list right here. Here you can locate the list, you can filter, you can find contacts, and if you go back to contacts, you're gonna be able to see a button called create a contact or import contacts. I'm gonna click on import contacts. You can import contacts, company, notes, or deals. I'm gonna import contacts. Go to continue. You can import from a file, from copy and paste, or from another tool. I'm gonna import from copy and paste. Then all you have to do is enter your email right here. All one per list, okay? Normally it's the contact ID, email, first name, last name, SMS, the number, okay? And after entering the contact, you're gonna click on check the data. On check data. Then click on confirm. Confirm mapping. Then you can choose for what list they're gonna be imported, okay? All up to you. I recommend that you select only one list, okay? Then update the attributes in the case that you want, and you must confirm that you have the authority to import this, okay? You have the rights, you have properly contacted the persons know that you are importing them into our mailing, they have subscribed to some form, okay? After, click on confirm import. And we are importing the contacts. This can take a couple of minutes. I recommend that you wait an hour to make sure that all has been imported, because Brevo gonna test every single option you have imported before allow you to send emails to them. And it is simple, easy, and effective. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.